Here's our senior class president, Sam Dlott.
Thanks. Thank you, Marvin. What's up, Plano Senior? How's everyone doing? Good? Thumbs up. I like that. Fantastic. There we go. My name is Sam Dlott, and I have the privilege to be in front of you today as your senior class president. Now, if I could ask a favor, can everyone look to their left? Move your heads. Thank you. And look to your right. Fantastic. Hope there are people you like, because you might be here for a while. Throw back to my 5th grade graduation speech for my Matthews Mavericks out there. Anyway, back to my 12th grade speech. Today is not about me or even the speech that you wish would end already. Today is about all of you. So give yourself a huge round of applause for graduating today. As much as I'd like to come up here and spit some monster rhymes, I want to pass along some 8-year-old wisdom I have learned. This comes in 3 lessons for you to take on with you through your life, and I feel they can help you achieve any goal you set your mind to. Lesson 1, play full throttle. And yes, there will be hand signs for all of these lessons. Playing full throttle means giving it your all. It means putting in all your effort with the intention of benefiting yourself and others. Define what matters most to you and resolve to be all in. Your college or career experience, your family. Be all in on the passions you choose to pursue. Sure, it may be exhausting and taxing, but if you take the time now and you put in all the energy you have, you will not end up regretting it. Now again, to reiterate, let's all play full throttle. Car noises are optional if you so desire. Lesson 2 goes hand in hand with lesson 1. Be present. And yes, the palm of my hand is very soft, but that's not why I'm poking it. Being present simply means listening and participating in all types of situations. Look up from your phone sometimes. I know many of us are going through withdrawals today, not having anyone to snap, Insta, text, or whatever, sitting here paying attention to the screen behind me. However, it's great practice for being present. Classrooms, meetings, and even daily conversations. Try putting in the effort to really listen and apply yourself in any sort of setting, and you will be amazed by by the connections you can truly make. This is now the time I will pause and allow our graduates to poke their palms. Thank you. I'm not done, sorry. Lesson 3 comes from the Philadelphia 76ers. Trust the process. This one I've really come to appreciate over the course of this year. It is really hard to define the process, as it really is different for everyone. That doesn't mean always going with the flow, as sometimes a little disruption can be a good thing. The eternal optimist in me believes if you do the right thing, it'll all work out in the end. We put countless hours in so many different activities, and that payoff is immeasurable. Just wait 10 years, and then you will truly know the impact that high school had on your life. That reunion is going to be a lot of fun. Thank you all so much for your time today and trusting me to be your senior class president. Also, thank you for trusting me to come up here and not say anything dumb. Really appreciate that. Big shout out to the Dlott family that is here today. Love you guys very much. And another huge thank you to all of Plano Senior's teachers and administration, the school board, and everyone in between. We could not have done it without you. Lastly, congratulations to all of you. We made it together. This is no easy feat, and to be here with your peers, friends, and family is truly something special. Go full throttle, be present, and trust the process today and every day. Congratulations, class of 2019. I am excited to see what you do next. Thank you.